Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that way you get notifications each and every time I drop a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review over the Crayon Case palette. This palette is from Supa. I was able to get this look really easy using this palette. These colors, I used about 4 different colors and they were super easy to blend. Look how large this palette is. This palette is big, but I love that because you get more of the product inside, and so it's going to take you a lot longer to use each eyeshadow. So there's a mixture of matte colors with shimmer colors. Look at this red. Look how bright that is. The yellow. And then let's do the pink. Let's do the purple. Look how bright those colors are. That is really good to have something that, you know, is so high pigmented like these colors are. They're very vibrant. Now, one thing I will say about the shimmer colors, you're gonna have to use a setting spray or like a concealer, a lighter concealer for them to show up. For me, I had to use a setting spray because it just wouldn't work on top of my eyeshadow base. I had to, when I first tried to use it, it came off too sheer, like you could barely even see it. But once I used the setting spray, it worked wonders. I have been waiting to get this palette. I've seen so many beautiful looks using this palette that I just had to get my hands on it. So I'm going to show you guys how I recreated this look. If you want to see how I did it, keep watching. I'm starting off with this brown shade and I'm gonna make it my bottom base color, so I'm blending this in really well. I'm gonna go in with tan and I'm gonna use it as my transitional shade just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going in with Deep Plum to add a hint of purple to give some depth to this look. I'm going in with this orange shade. This color is so gorgeous. It gives it that rustic look. So I'm going to cut my crease using this concealer. I'm going for more of a vibrant look towards the inner part of the eye. I want that color to just pop. So I'm going in with this gold color just to finish off the look. I was looking for something to really stand out, and I think this color was perfect. I'm going back in with this orange because once I added the gold, I lost a bit of that color, and so I wanted to blend those two colors together really well. I'm going to be adding color to my under eye, and I'm expecting to have a little bit of fallout, so I'm adding some pressed powder. I'm adding that orange and Deep Plum to the under eye just to give it a fuller look. I decided to add a wing liner just to add a little extra to this look. To finish off the look, I'm adding lashes and mascara, and then I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to add my blush and contour and all that good stuff. So here's the finished look. I had so much fun working with all these colors. This palette really does look beautiful on all skin tones. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!